Are you ready to transform your classroom into a magical Valentine's Day haven? What if I told you it's easier than you think to create a warm, love-filled atmosphere that students will adore? Stay with me as we explore creative, budget-friendly Valentine's classroom decor ideas that will leave everyone saying, "Wow." What are some easy DIY Valentine's Day decor ideas for the classroom? Decorating your classroom doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Here are some fun and simple DIY ideas. Heart garland. Use construction paper to cut out colorful hearts, then string them together with yarn or ribbon. Hang them across the walls or over the whiteboard for a festive touch. Cupid's arrows. Create playful arrows with paper straws, heart-shaped stickers, and feathers. Display them in jars or add them to bulletin boards. Love Notes Corner. Dedicate a space for students to write kind messages on heart-shaped notes and stick them on a wall of love. If you're loving these ideas, don't forget to like and share this video with your fellow teachers or parents. How can I create a Valentine's-themed bulletin board? Bulletin boards are the centerpiece of any classroom decor, so why not make yours unforgettable? Bee Mine Board. Use bee-themed cutouts with heart wings, flowers, and student names to create a buzzworthy display. Love is in the Air Board. Add colorful balloons, each featuring a word about love, friendship, or kindness contributed by the class. Photo booth style. Create a bulletin board with a Valentine's frame that students can use for fun photos and memories. Comment below and tell me which bulletin board idea is your favorite. How can I incorporate Valentine's themes into classroom activities? Activities can double as decor while keeping students engaged. Here's how. Craft stations. Set up craft tables where students can make their own Valentine's cards, paper flowers, or bookmarks. Display their work around the room. STEM challenges. Build heart towers with marshmallows and toothpicks, or design Valentine mailboxes to hold cards. Writing prompts. Create a display of student-written "What Love Means to Me" essays or poems in decorative frames. Want to explore more ideas like these? Check the description for our playlist on classroom activities. How can I decorate desks and tables for Valentine's Day? Desk and table decorations create a personal, welcoming vibe for students. Themed nameplates. Replace standard name tags with heart-shaped ones, or mini chalkboards decorated with Valentine motifs. Mini centerpieces. Use small jars filled with candy hearts or faux flowers as table centerpieces. Custom chair covers. Make chair covers with fabric or paper adorned with hearts, cupids, or sweet phrases. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more creative classroom ideas every week. What are some budget-friendly Valentine's Day decor options? Decorating on a budget is all about creativity. Here are some cost-effective ideas. Recycled materials. Use leftover craft supplies like ribbons, paper scraps, and jars to create new decorations. Dollar store finds. Pick up affordable Valentine's decorations such as streamers, balloons, and tablecloths. DIY with students. Involve your class in making decorations like tissue paper flowers or painted rocks with love messages. Check the description for more similar videos packed with classroom inspiration. How can I make my classroom decorations interactive? Interactive decor keeps students engaged and excited about their environment. Spin the wheel of kindness. Create a Valentine-themed wheel where students can spin for acts of kindness to perform. Scavenger hunt. Hide small heart-shaped items or notes around the room and challenge students to find them. Interactive wall. Set up a love tree where students can add leaves or hearts with things they love or are grateful for. Curious about the products and materials used in this video? Check the description for details. As you can see, creating a magical Valentine's Day atmosphere in your classroom doesn't have to be overwhelming or costly. From DIY crafts to interactive activities, the possibilities are endless. So, which idea will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and let's spread some love this Valentine's Day.